You are going to complete those examples in your English notebook. Which examples? Example 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th. You are going to complete in your English notebook. Now let us start with first question. We have already started with first question. I told you to complete it yesterday. Put the mixed up letters together properly to make words. What you have to do? You have to mix these letters now. What you are going to do? You are going to mix these all letters to make what? To make a meaningful word. Come on, let us start with first example. Which letter is given? N, I, R, A. Now separately these letters have any meaning? Does N letter has any meaning? No. I letter has any meaning? No. R letter has any meaning? No. A letter has any meaning? No. Now when we will put this all meaningless letters together, we are going to make one word and that word will be meaningful word. Okay. Now let us start with first example. Now first example, now what is given over here? N, I, R, A. If I will take N, A, I, R, is this word meaningful? Nair. Is it meaningful? It makes any meaning? No. I will try another. Now this is wrong, okay? I will make some another. N, I, R, A. Okay. R, A, I, N. R, A, I, N. I have made one spelling. I have made one word. What is that word? R, A, I, N. Rain. Rain is a meaningful word? Yes, rain is a meaningful word. Now what is meaning of word rain? Rain means what? Pause. Correct? So this word makes some meaning. Rain is a word which makes meaning. Now next example which is given over here is I, H, F, S. Come on, make some word from those letters. Can you make some words from those letters? 4 letters are given to you. Can you make any word? I, H, F, S. Okay. The word which I have got here is F, I, S, H. Fish. F, F. I, S, S, H, H. We have got one word from the letters which I have given in which example? Example 10th. Okay. The word which we have made is what? Fish. Fish means what? Masa. So, does the fish word has any meaning? Yes, it is a which animal? It is a water animal. So, yes, this word has some meaning. Okay. Now, next example which is given over here is A-R-D-E. A-R-E-D. Now, what word you can prepare from that? D-E-A-R. D-E-A-R. Dear. Yes, we can make one word. This meaning, this word is meaningful. Correct or not? When we love someone, what we say? Dear mother, dear father. Correct or not? We use or not this word in when we call to our beloved ones, or when we send some message, or when we write some letters. Correct or not? Letter writing is there. Now it is not there for you, letter writing, but then when you go in higher classes in letter writing, you write, dear mother, how are you? I am fine. So dear is the meaningful word. Can you make any another word from same letters? I think yes, we can make one word from these letters. Can you tell? Yes. R, E, A, D. What is this word? It is read. R, E, A, D. Read. So, read is a meaningful word? Yes, read is a meaningful word. Have you understood or not? We have made what? We have put these letters together and we have made one word which has some meaning. Again, we have taken same letters and we have made another word which has some meaning. Now, next example which is given over here is now R, W, I, T, E, T. Now, which letters are given? R, W, I, E T. Which word you can make from these letters? Simple it is, which you do every day. W-R-I-T-E, right? W-R-I-T-E, right? Have you got some meaningful word? Yes, we have got meaningful word. What is that meaningful word? It is right. Right means what? Lihne, correct? Next word or next example of letters which is given over here is L-S-E-P-E. Can you make any new word from these letters? Come on, just don't sit. Think and try to make some new words. You should have pencil and notebook with you. When I am teaching you this all examples, you should immediately take pencil and notebook and you should try to make word from the letters which are given to you. Now which word will form from these letters? Can anyone tell? Yes, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. This is the activity which we do every day. Yes or no? Sleeping is an activity which we do in classroom also. Some students sleep in the class. Yes or no? Sleep. Which word we have made? Which meaningful word we have made over here is S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Correct? You were having sleeping period in UKG, correct? The students which were going at 12:30, they were going at home, but the students, those who are waiting, UKG class students, LKG class students, they had sleeping period in afternoon, correct or not? So which meaningful word we have done over here from the letters given? We have made one meaningful word, that is sleep. Sleep means what? Jhopne, correct? Next example which we have got here is letters L, P, A, Y. Now from these letters, which word we will able to make? We will able to make, I think so, this word which we are going to make, the word which we are going to make from this letter, you like it too much. The word which we are going to make from these letters is P-L-A-Y, play. Do you like to play? Everyone will say yes, we like to play, because that is the only one period where you can run here and there, you can enjoy on the ground, correct or not? You have or not PT period? So the meaningful word which we have made over here is play. Everyone loves to play, everyone likes to play with your sisters, brothers. Now at present you might be playing with your sisters, brothers at home. But when you are in school, you play with your friend, correct or not? With bench partner also you play in the class. So which meaningful word we have made from the letters given? We have made meaningful word is P-L-A-Y, play. Next example which is given over here is M-A-G-E. Which meaningful word we can make from M-A-G-E? Come on, tell. M-A-G-E. The meaningful word which we can make from this word letters is G-A-M-E, game. Right? Which game do you like to play? Then you will immediately say, ma'am, I like to play Kho-Kho, I like to play cricket, I like to play volleyball. Correct? So which word we have made from these letters? 4 letters. From 4 letters we have made a word, that is G-A-M-E, game. Correct? Now 2 examples which are not there in book, I have added. 3 examples were added by me. Now there is a 16th example which I have given you here is, now letters are given. Now everywhere we have taken, now here some 5 letter words are there, here also 5 letter words are there. 5 letters are there. Here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 letter word is there. Which word you can make from those letters? Can anyone tell? At present you eat this fruit. This is the season of eating this fruit. Which fruit is that? It is the season of which fruit? Mango. So which word we have made? M-A-A-N-N. G is there? Yes. O is there? Yes. So which word we have made? We have made mango word from the letters which are given in the example 16. And the last example which is given over here is N-M-A-E. Now what word we can make from these letters? Now these all letters are capital letters. Correct? From this capital letters, we can make one word, that is N-A-M-E, name. Have you understood? Now total how many examples we have completed from yesterday? We have completed 8 examples in yesterday's period, and today we have completed how many examples? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today 9 examples, yesterday 8 examples. These all yesterday's 8 examples. In same 8 examples you have to add this 9 examples. I want all examples written in neat handwriting properly on 2 pages. Okay, leave one line after each example. Okay, in this way we have completed first question of the lesson words. Second question of same chapter we will take tomorrow. It is quite interesting. There is a picture, and with the help of that picture we are going to make in that picture letters are there, and with the help of those letters we are going to make new words. Okay, that we will take in tomorrow's period. Thank you.